Today's recipe is Malai sandwich, and it's super simple to prepare, friends, even though it looks very complicated. And the end result is just these light clouds of sweetness that just melt in your mouth. I'm sure many of you love this dessert, as all of us now at home love it. And for those of you who don't know what it is, watch the video and do try it out. So let's head on to my kitchen and make today's lovely dessert of Malai sandwich. So let's start with today's recipe. Now first we are going to make the paneer. So I've taken 1 liter of milk. I've added 2 tablespoons of vinegar and I've just let the milk split like this. Then we're going to just strain this into a muslin cloth. And we're going to put a heavy weight on it. Now don't throw out this way. You can use it to make your chapati dough. Now after an hour and a half or 2 to 3 hours, when the paneer has finally set, we're going to take a large plate and we are going to crumble up the paneer. And then we're going to knead the paneer for at least 5 to 10 minutes till it becomes very, very soft. Then we're going to divide this into about 6 balls and we're going to roll them out very, very carefully and shape them into these kind of squares. Ensure that there are no cracks in them. Now I've got 6 Malai sandwiches with 1 liter of milk. So if you want more, then you can go with 2 liters or 3 liters. Now once these are ready, we're going to make our sugar syrup. So we're just taking 4 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. We don't have to make a thick sugar syrup. We just have to bring this water to a boil and then we're just going to let these paneer squares go into this sugar syrup. Just turn them in between and then we're just going to let this sit on a very low flame for about 10 minutes in this sugar syrup. And then you're going to turn off the gas flame and let this sugar syrup completely cool for an hour and a half. Now we're going to make the filling that comes in between the sandwich. So I've taken about 4 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter in a pan. Now here I've prepared 1/3 cup of milk with some saffron strands in it and let it sit for about 20 minutes till you get this beautiful color. So you have to take some hot milk. Then there's some milk powder and some powdered sugar. There's 3/4 cup of milk powder and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now I'm just going to put this saffron milk into the ghee. I'm going to add my powdered sugar and I'm going to just whisk it well. Then I'm going to add a little of the milk powder at a time and keep whisking it so we get a nice smooth consistency. And then we're just going to stir this paste for about 2 to 3 minutes till it thickens up like this and starts leaving the sides of the pan. And then you're just going to transfer this into a bowl. Now I've taken out the paneer pieces and I've just strained it for, so that any excess water can be taken out. This is our filling. Now we're just going to cut the paneer slices into 2 halves. Now they have doubled up in size because they've been in the sugar syrup for very long. So cut them with a very sharp knife just in between like this. Use a very, very sharp knife and cut them into 2 halves. And then you're just going to apply this filling that we have prepared. Let the filling cool to room temperature before you apply it. Don't apply it hot. And that's how we make the sandwiches. And then for decorating them, I've just used a few strands of saffron. You can put some silver work on it, or you can put even some chopped up pistas. You can do anything you like to make it look beautiful. But even the simple saffron strands just made it look really beautiful. And friends, you have to chill this for a while before eating it in the refrigerator. And believe me, when you put them into your mouth, they're just going to melt with all that lovely sugar syrup that it's soaked up and the lovely flavor of the filling. It's really heavenly and divine. So friends, wasn't that really easy? You can do it. You just have to put your mind to it that okay, I'm going to do it and do it step by step, do it perfectly, and you won't go wrong. So if you like today's recipe and today's video, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see in this video. And also if you haven't hit the red subscribe button, please do. It's just below this video. And once you subscribe, a little bell will show up. Just click that bell, that way you get notifications whenever I put up a new recipe on my channel. Also, if you want to find any of my recipes, I have loads and loads of recipes, more than 500 now. And just go on the YouTube search button, type the recipe, and just besides it, type Akshita's recipes, and my recipe will come up first. Also, at the end of the video, two boxes will come up with my recipes. You can click on them and watch them. In the middle of the video, something will come up as suggested. Those are my videos. You can click on them. I'm active on Facebook and Instagram. You can follow me there. All links are below. I also have my own blog page. You can visit that too. So, saying all that, thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope you do try out this recipe and write to me in the comment section as to how you liked it. So, take care of yourselves, guys. Stay fit, stay healthy, be loving and kind to one another. And I'll catch you in my next video sooner than